dulcimer build. This was my practice build, my very first dulcimer. I built this from some scrap pine. This is from a shelf from my mom's garage. And the sides are, I think it's the Granadillo sides from the Hibden hardwood. And the top is cedar from some 1x4 or 1x6 scrap cedar that came from an auction. It was like, maybe it was from a swing set or like a treehouse bundle of cedar lumber. So I split that and made a top out of it. Oh, this neck is actually another chunk of pine. And then I used some maple for the fretboard. And the tuners are from it was a broken guitar, like a folk guitar. So I took the tuners off that. The head block is cedar with a veneer of walnut so I can get it the right width. And carved it all up, put it together, and the thing works. And another bonus is this chair is the perfect size for it. Homemade dulcimer. More to come.